Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a video on Snapchat. So if you want to reply to a friend with a video instead of an image, here is what you want to do. So first of all, you want to open up your Snapchat app and then just go to your chat settings. From there you can message any friend you want or that specific one that has sent you a message. So if you want to quickly send a video, just tap on this camera icon like in this line on the right side, tap on it, and if you want to send a video, just hold down and it's going to be recording a video. If you want to record a video hands-free, just go to this lock icon and then you can record video without actually holding the record button. And once you're done, you want to send it, just click on send. But if you want to reply to a specific video of theirs or an image, right click, hold down on an image and then click on snap reply. Basically that means is that you can reply directly to that with a snap and it's going to be delivered to them, or you can just say chat reply and then choose. You can select something from your gallery, you can again click on the camera icon, long hold, record a video and send it. And that's basically how you send a video to a friend on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.